Alright gents, how's it going? Welcome to a random day, just riding around. It's not been sunny for a while, and I think it's supposed to rain for the next 2 weeks, so I thought we'd just hop on the bike and just ride around for a bit, see what's going on. So we're out here in city centre. Wow, big pothole. Can we squeeze through here? Of course we can. That's what super sports are for. Yeah, we're just riding around. We're just enjoying the weather for a bit. I asked a few people on Instagram what they might want to see in the next video, so I'll try and cover a few of those points if we don't get distracted. Are we going? Are we staying? We're going. You gotta love that quick shifter, man. It's just too good. It's just too good. Alright mate, how's it going? So people were kind of asking why I bought this bike specifically out of all the 600s that are going on at the moment. Why the Ninja 636? And it's a good question. It's a really good question. The answer to which I am about to make up right now. Alright, go on then, lad. Yeah, I mean, I've always, in terms of when it comes to super sports, obviously you've got stuff like the R6 and that kind of thing. But I think the Ninja 636 has always just been one that I really wanted. You'll see on my Instagram, if you go back up to a year ago, and I put, someone asked what's your next bike or whatever, and I think I put, it's always been between the MT-09 or the Ninja 636. So if I was going to go for a naked, it would have been the MT-09, and if I was going to go for a super sport, it was going to be the Ninja. And I just thought I'd have a bit of a change from the naked bikes. I'll probably end up reverting back to them anyway. So in the meantime, you know, it's always nice to have a change, try out super sports. And I've not really ridden a powerful super sport position before, so I've had the sporty 125, but obviously it's a 125, so I've not really had a 600 that's got power as well. So that was something I wanted to try out. Which way are we going? Oh, slippy with the water. It's alright, we'll dry it off. Alright. Beast.
No waiting in traffic, is there?
Ah, it's got the weather. Wow, that's loud. This guy's enjoying himself. Not even got indicators on. Somehow ended up in Some really nice place, some cool views. All the nice cars are going the opposite way, man. What's the point of that? So yeah, if you haven't figured it out already, there isn't really much of a point to this video. Just messing around. I want to go that way somehow. Well, I have no idea where we are, but let's have a look at it, shall we? It's ended up in some random place. Cows, trees. Oh, nice and peaceful. Here she is, covered in a few flies, but still looks good. Yeah, I mean, that's why I bought it, man. That's why I bought this beast. Just looks amazing. Amazing. So nice. Nice and green. Ooh, some nice pops, man. We just need to get rid of that decibel killer and she'll sound sweet. Oh. The wildlife. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this random video. Hope you enjoyed it. Duck! If there's anything meaningful that you want to see to do with this bike, just let me know in the comments and I'll try and sort it out. Otherwise you're going to end up with loads of random videos like this. Whoa. What's going on here? I don't think this is the place we want to be. It's all crazy dirt road stuff, not really what we want to be doing on this bike. We like the smooth tarmac. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.
This is line on the side.